story of Ram and Sita killed it for me. I could not follow Hinduism after that story. So Ram is a god and his wife is a goddess. And he tells her, don't come out of the house, which I can respect that part. That was cool, right? So Ravana comes out. He's got like 10 heads or 12 heads. Gets a lot of head. First thing, a dude with 10 heads, how does he walk around? Like, how do you walk around with 10 heads, nobody notices? Comes to her and gets her to come out of the house. So this goddess disobeys her husband. First fail right there. He kidnaps her. If somebody kidnaps your wife, what are you gonna do? Bro, I'm going Rambo on him. Like, I don't care what. Ain't nobody gonna be stopping me, right? Ram doesn't do anything. So he goes and gets help from a monkey. From a monkey. Hanuman, the monkey king. What's he gonna throw feces at him? Paint him in bananas? I don't know, right? Like, this monkey army helps him get Sita back. Over a year of some dude doing whatever to this goddess, and he can't get his wife. If you can't defend your wife, I don't want to shake hands with you, let alone worship you. Na'udhu billah. And then when he gets Sita, he leaves her because he's like, I don't know what happened on that island, bro. You know, like